Hey guys, if you'd like to create some impressive animated titles in PowerPoint like this, then keep watching. I'm going to make a slide for a new product launch, so the background is pretty wide to fit the big screen. You can see the size of the background here. So the ratio of width to height is 3:1. I already picked this picture as the background. You can pick any picture you like as your front page background. Next, I'm going to insert a text box. You can type in any title you like. I'm going to type in 2020 new product launch. Adjust the font, size, and color of the text, so it looks good. Now I'm using this font and size. Then select the text box, right-click, choose Format Shape, choose Text Options, then I'm going to use Gradient Fill. Type choose Linear, direction choose the first one, angle 0. Gradient stops, I'm going to use 2 stops. First one I'm going to put it here, in the middle of this bar. I'll choose, let's see, is color. The second one, I'll put it here, at the end of this bar, and I choose this color. You can choose any color you like, of course. Now, 2020 looks much better. Now select the text box, use Format Painter, copy the format of the text box, then paste it here. Now the new product launch has the same format as 2020, I'll change the font and size. Okay, we finished the text editing. Let's add some animation. For 2020, let's add a fly-in animation. And a line motion path. Open the animation panel, select both of the animations. Change here to with previous. Select Fly-in Animation, change effect options to from left. Select Line Motion Path, change effect options to right. Set duration time as half a second, delay 0.25 seconds. Then zoom out the slide. Hold down the Shift key, move the text box out of the page. Select Line Motion Path. You can see a blue point as the starting point, and a red point as the ending point. Hold down the Shift key, move the red point here. That would be our ending point. Let's see the preview. Now double-click the second animation, set smooth start as 0, set smooth end as 0.25s. Now our line is in a decelerating motion. Then I'll continue to add animations to new product launch. Let's make a copy of the text box first. I'll explain why later. Select the text box, hold down the Control key and left mouse button, and drag the text box. Now we have a copy of the text box. Select this text box, add animation grow shrink, then add fade. Select both animations. Change here to with previous. Select grow shrink animation, change duration time to half a seconds, and delay time to 0. Double click it. Change the size to 300%, hit enter, don't forget to hit the enter key. Set animation text as by word, and delay between word 20%. The larger the number is, the greater the effect of the delay between the numbers, hit OK. Then select fade animation, change delay time to 0. Now overlap these two text boxes. Let's have a preview. Because we have two text boxes, so after the first text box faded, we still have a text box showing on the page. Now let's add some sound. Select the last animation, double click it, choose a sound from here. I'm going to choose bomb, then hit OK. Now let's have a preview. Looks good. For the advanced title animation like this, I'll show you guys next time.